Tokwang'yo mago motendre kod thieth kata ngima dhano nyakoro mga jwang kaka yorno mar dhialo odiochieng jogo mantiere kod tuoche mag paro. Lakteche kaunti wa Muranga jiwo jopiny mondo ojol jogo mantiere kod tuoche mag paro kata tuoche go mag obwongo. Nyasi no mano bagi kaunti wa Muranga, laktar mathiedho tuoche mag obwongo James Buru nolero ni jotuo osebedo kamedore e pacho kae rang'iny mamalo kaluwore kod pek mar ngima e kind midhiero mamoko. Director mar weche thieth e kaunti wa Muranga Winnie Kanyi bende okwayo jokanyo mondo onyuak teko e konyo jotuo go.
Post TikTok, post Instagram. Ababani hotspot.
The global initiative from the World Health Organization has now pushed the agenda to governments, both national and local, to make this a priority, make more investments, and I'm happy to report that, like you can see, with me is a very strong team, which is made of our technical persons, the administrators, a very strong team with the nursing team, the social workers, public health officers, and other allied support health workers who are ready and willing to give it their best shot as we get this going for the sake of our population, to improve their general well-being, because there is no health without mental health.
We want to make mental health in this county a county priority, and we are calling upon the communities and the people who are living in the communities to identify those people who are having challenges in mental health and to tell them that we are there to help them so that they don't get into the crisis that we are seeing every day in Kenya and even in this county, so that we tell them that there is help and everybody who has challenges in mental health has help. We have a helping hand in our facilities.
Naomba watu wa jamii wakiona mtu ako na shida ya mawazo, shida ya kiakili, wampeleke hospitali atibiwe. Ni vibaya kwa watu katika jamii kusema mtu amerogwa ama ametokezewa na kitu kibaya. Wanafaa waache kutega watu kama hao, wapeleke hospitali.